Mon amour, je te dis c'est grave.
As you guys could see, I posted this video late tonight. I'm just now setting up. I just removed the carpet to shoot. Obviously, them boys in there shooting, editing. What the fuck? Alright, everybody ready?
Okay, so I'm gonna turn my body this way so make it easier for you.
Whatever you do, please do not break these. If the motherfucker's gonna hurt. Please be careful how you turn me.
I'm sorry? Are you telling me to be careful how I turn you? You better be careful how you put your finger without turning you.
Whatever you do, try not to break my nails.
I'm gonna turn you.
I don't want to be in pain. Before
I'm gonna
tomorrow.
turn you. That's it. I'm turning you.
I know that, duh.
Get it? I'm gonna twist my body.
So I'm gonna come here and squat this. Come on here.
Yep, that ain't it.
Where is your clothes?
You're gonna twist all the way? Like
It was supposed to be like a twist from the floor to come up.
Okay, go up to the back of the floor.
Who's your sleep? I hope it's first sleep.
No.
No, not yet.
Go in here.
So I have to be like that.
I'm not recording
Is
myself.
that who is recording?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Let's do this.
Get more there, hide up.
Sterling.
Good teamwork, bruh. You okay?
I'm so hot.
Well, you gotta be on my nose, man.
No, it's
No,
so
this is
close
behind
to
the
my face.
scene.
See, I had to run all over there.
My nigga with the tricks.
I think the light.
My nigga with the tricks.
You know how to fix light, so
You messed up my light, bro. You brought the girl?
Thank you. I'm hot. Look at
You're not hot. Look, I'm
Look at this shit.
smokes.
Wait, that's